our 10-inch meat slicer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 15.5 inches, a depth of 10.25 inches, and a height we have 15 inches. Radius of the blade area will be 10 inches in radius. Coming to the left side, the area where the slab of meat can be placed, we have measurements that consist of 8 inches in length by 9 inches in depth. Tray can be positioned from left to right. Next to the tray will be a compression tool that can hold your slab of meat of any thickness. Coming to the side will be a separate compression knob to loosen the top area where the cut slices of meat will fall. Coming to the side will be the operation buttons, and to the back will be the ETL certification. This meat slicer will use a 110 and 120 voltage plug. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.